Hey Mr. Lopez, how's it going? I'm Max from Anchor 23 Marketing, and here's your free website audit that we promised. So whenever I first pulled your website up, I really like how this lead generator kind of comes up. It just gives them a chance to automatically, get you some business. And then if they were to exit out of there, I still like how you have this click to call because it's like easy access for them to call you. So your site looks really good. It's I can tell it's really well done, and it has a lot of content on this front page, which is good because in order to rank on Google, you need about 1,500 words. And what I mean by ranking on Google is if you type in a specific keyword to your niche in your area, we want you to come up first on this front page because these people are getting 44 monthly visitors, 72 monthly visitors. And if you can get in this Google Map Pack, which we'll talk about in a little bit, then you get about 65% of the people that are searching for your niche in your area. This particular keyword has about 300 searches a month. And the way that you rank for that is by having keywords like that throughout your home page. So all this content here is good, but you need it to be rich with your specific keywords that are, painters in Baltimore, etc. The next thing that we're going to talk about, and well, before I move on, let me show you. This is this guy ranks number 1. He's right here. And he actually only has 48 words on his home page. You see that? So you could easily beat him. Plus his site is not secure. So Google's automatically going to put your site up there if you start ranking for those specific keywords. The next thing that I'll show you is I took your website URL right here and I put it in this tool that I use, and it shows me the kind of like the background of your website and the health of it. And right now there's not even enough data to show me the health because you only have one backlink. Whereas this guy right here, I copied his and I put it in, and his health is not good. You want these numbers to be as close as possible, but he's showing up number 1 because he has 175 backlinks. And backlinks is another powerful website putting your link on their website to pass power to your website. It's basically like a vote to Google saying, yes, this website is relevant to the search term, this type of search term. So they have 175 people saying, yes, their website is relevant, whereas you only have 1. So the next thing that we're going to talk about is if you want to get in this Google Map Pack, you need citations, which is your name, your address, and your phone number. And as you can see, they have that right here. And they currently have between 55 and 60 of those. And I put you in this other tool that I use, and you only have 7 of those. That's basically just 7 different citations of your name, address, and your phone number throughout Google saying that you should be in this Google Map Pack because you are in the Baltimore area. So that pretty much concludes it. Your site looks really good. There's just those 3 things really that are stopping you from ranking number 1 on Google. And again, this search term right here has nearly 300 searches a month. So of those 300, even if you pulled in 75 new customers every month, you could really boost your business right here. If you have any questions, you can always let me know. If you want to try it on your own, that's perfectly fine. I do this for customers. We can always talk about options there. But if anything, I just hope that this was informative and helped you out and worth your time. So thank you, Mr. Lopez. Have a great day.